Ever pondered the intricacies of variables in JavaScript? These fundamental building blocks of coding have more layers than you might think. To start, a variable is a container holding a value, which can be altered or updated throughout the execution of the program. Variables in JavaScript are dynamically typed, meaning you can assign values of different types to the same variable. If you're looking to declare a variable, you've got 3 keywords at your disposal: var, let, or const. Once upon a time, var was the go-to for variable declaration. However, it has some quirks and is less commonly used today. On the other hand, let and const, both introduced in ECMAScript 6, have risen in prominence. Let is your best bet for block-scoped variables that can be reassigned. Const, on the other hand, is perfect for declaring constants, variables whose value can't be changed once assigned. When it comes to syntax, it's as simple as let myVar = hello for mutable variables or const myVar = hello for constants. There are a few rules to keep in mind when naming your variable. They must start with a letter, $, or underscore, and subsequent characters can be letters, digits, $, or underscores. Remember, JavaScript is case-sensitive, so myVar, and myVar are all considered different variables. JavaScript variables can hold a variety of data types. There are primitive data types such as numbers, strings, booleans, null, undefined, and symbol. There are also complex data types like objects, arrays, and functions. Now on to scope. Variables declared outside of any function have a global scope, meaning they can be accessed from anywhere in your code. However, variables declared within a function have a local scope, meaning they are only accessible within that function. Another concept to get your head around is hoisting. In JavaScript, variable declarations are hoisted to the top of their containing scope during the compilation phase. But remember, only the declaration is hoisted, not the initialization. A few best practices to keep in mind. Use let or const instead of var to declare variables. Use meaningful variable names to enhance code readability. Declare variables close to where they are used. And use const for variables that should not be reassigned. So that's your crash course in JavaScript variables. Remember these key points. Variables are containers for values. They can be declared using var, let, or const, and they can hold various types of data. Variables have scope, and their declarations are hoisted during the compilation phase. Keep these concepts in mind, and you'll be writing cleaner, more efficient code in no time.